I just had to do this video. I got the deal of a lifetime. I had a person contact me, and he had over 10,000 Niagara Falls postcards for sale, and he just wanted to get rid of them. He's had them forever, getting older. He doesn't want to deal with them. I'll show you one of the boxes. I got 15 boxes full, just like this. Postcards for Niagara Falls. There's Canada, there's New York, there's American Falls, Horseshoe Falls, the whole work. And just to show you some of the cards that, and I pulled out a few of them. I always love the ice ones when it freezes over like that. This is just a chrome card. The quality of these cards were very well kept. There's been no issues with them. This is the one that you usually see at night. I sell a lot of these cards. So there's the mist. I think it's called the Maid of the Mist right there. Look at the waterfalls. Look at the boat. I mean, these are I'm excited to get these listed. And then this one, look at, there's people standing around by the waterfall. I mean, those are the types of postcards I look for. I know a lot of people are passionate about these types of cards, and I just got so much work ahead of me to get through these. And definitely I'm going to contact John over there at Popeye's Postcards just to, you know, consult with him and see what I should do with these cards. But what did I pay for them? Like nothing. And some of these have the zip code on the back, 412022. I don't look at zip codes that often, but that's a very special zip code. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell icon. Thanks for watching, and by the way, April Fools.